Good morning, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. Shout out to my subscribers and regular viewers. Want to take up the Dolphin jet today. Let's see if I can get her to take up off of her belly. Look at that. Man. Love the sound. Oh, love the sound of that jet.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, she flies slow for a jet. Gliding by. I got those easy lights that I put on a lot of my planes. I only have one set. I only have the one set, and they just Velcro on. Now I'm running an aftermarket, just a DMS6 or DSMX receiver, no stabilization at all. I'm gonna have to go in there and mechanically adjust my elevator because I've got full down elevator without touching it, and it still wants to climb. So I think either that or I need to move the CG. Well, no, because she's actually acting like she's tail heavy. Yeah, I'm having to push down on it to get her to come down. See if I can't land her. No throttle. I had to do that. I had to see the sound. Now that's only a 55 millimeter fan. It's just a little bitty fan. There she's just gliding by. Here, I gave it the coals. She's only 40 inches. Yeah, she's only 40 inches as far as diameter goes, or wingspan. She's gonna glide by now, and I'll hit the coal as soon as she gets close. Now. Oh, you gotta love it. Alright, we're going to land this time. I've only got 1 minute left, so you know what? I might just bring it by here. Here, watch this. We're going to do it one more time. I love the sound of that fan. Oh, I really do. I need to land it in the grass here. There we go. Well, that is the Dolphin jet, an EDF trainer jet put out by Value Hobby. I don't know the actual brand anymore. But as you can see, I was able, it has enough power, that little 55 fan, to actually take off on its belly. landing gear is an absolute joke with this plane. Don't even bother with it. Just go ahead and count on it being a belly lander. So, well, anyways, and there you go, folks. That's the Dolphin jet. You can get it at Value Hobby. I want to say it's either $40 or $50 for just the basic kit. You got to buy yourself your own fan and your own electronics and everything. But, you know, basically you'll have, you know, 15, 20 bucks in the ducted fan. Another, you know, $20, $30 in your electronics. You know, you under 100 bucks, you can have a really nice little jet here. So thank you for watching. This is, oh, by the way, it also comes with a pod on the back to where you can make a pusher prop. It'll be a lot faster then too. But there you go, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the Dolphin jet, sold by Value Hobby. And thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.